Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by building the soup base. Heat 4 cups water with kombu or instant dashi until just under boiling. This extracts umami without bitterness. Once the stock is hot, reduce to a simmer, make sure not to boil. Meanwhile, crumble 2 tablespoons red miso into a small bowl and add a ladle of hot stock to make a smooth slurry. This prevents clumps. Also cut 100 grams silken tofu into cubes and slice 1/2 cup green onion. Once the tofu is in and the pot is steady at a low simmer, remove the pot briefly from direct heat. Red miso should never boil because heat kills its delicate probiotics and sharpens bitterness. Slowly whisk the miso slurry back into the pot while stirring gently so it disperses evenly. Make sure to taste after mixing. Red miso is potent, so adjust with small increments. If it's too salty, add a splash of hot water. If too weak, dissolve a little more miso in stock. You finish by folding in sliced green onion and rehydrated wakame if using. Add them at the end so they stay vibrant and fresh. Warm your bowls and ladle the soup immediately to preserve aroma and the soft texture of silken tofu. If the soup tastes too salty, make sure to try a quick fix. Add 1/2 cup hot water and simmer briefly, or drop a peeled potato into the pot for 5–10 minutes to absorb excess salt. Remove the potato before serving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.